Hello students, good morning. Now this is your social study period. In continuation of the chapter 7, the climate of India, today I will explain you the four main climatic zone of India. So students, you listen carefully. The four climatic zone of India are alpine, subtropical, tropical and arid. Students, now I will one by one explain all these four zones. You listen carefully. Alpine zone. The climatic zone can be experienced in the high altitude of the Himalayas. High altitude of the Himalayas. That means higher part of the Himalayas. What is altitude, students? Altitude is the distance measuring by in the vertical distance. Okay, what is altitude? Altitude is a distance measuring in the vertical direction. This is altitude. Then high altitudes of the Himalayas. That means higher altitudes of the Himalayas, higher parts of the Himalayas. In this region there are high climatic fluctuations due to stiff altitude variations. High climatic fluctuations, that means the temperature changes frequently due to too much variations in the too much variation in the altitudes. Variation of the altitudes, in Himalayas there are so many mountains having different peaks, and all altitudes are different from each other. So students, in this region there are high climatic fluctuation. Climatic fluctuation means the temperatures differs frequently due to steep altitude variations of altitudes, too much variations of the altitudes. Okay, now subtropical zone. What is this zone? Is prevalent in most of the northern part of India. Prevalent. What is prevalent? Prevalent means widespread in a particular zone. Widespread of a particular zone is called prevalent. So this zone is spread in the part of the northern India, northern plain. Okay, northern part of India, that means northern plain. It can be called as a typical Indian climate. Summer are hot and wet, while the temperature may drop down to the freezing point in the higher altitudes, higher ranges. That means this is the characteristic of this type of zone, subtropical zone. The summers are too much hot. They are hot and wet, while the winter the temperature drops. Maybe it may drop to the freezing point. What is freezing point? Freezing point means 0 degree centigrade. Okay, in the higher altitudes. Okay, Now, tropical zone. Tropical zone can be divided into two subtypes. For example, tropical wet monsoonal zone and another is tropical dry zone. The characteristic of tropical wet monsoonal zone include average temperature which is normally below 18 degrees centigrade. Okay, and arid zone. Arid zone means dry zone. High temperature, the characteristics is high temperature and low rainfall. The characteristics of this very zone is high temperature and low rainfall are the marked feature of this climatic zone. It prevalent in the western part of the country, that is desert part of the country. It's spread in, prevalent means what I told, widespread of a particular area. That means this arid zone spread in the western part of the country and include a large part of Rajasthan. So the temperature of this zone may shoot up to as high as 50 degree centigrade. It is too much in summer. Okay, and India as a whole has a typical type of monsoonal climate. What type of climate India has? India has a typical type of monsoonal climate. The monsoon climate is characterized by the change of seasons, and it is called, what is it called? The cycle of seasons. So students, we have read this types of zones, the types of climatic zones of India, and this is what for today, and you will revise this in at your home, and next is that is your homework, and next day we will continue the chapter. Till then, goodbye.